Hello my friends! Every day that goes, our laptops and notebooks are getting thinner and thinner, and the truth is that they are getting more practical and beautiful. Well, here we have a major drawback. Very few ports to connect external devices. But what I personally miss most of all of that is internet cable connection and of course its stability. The problem can easily solve with this device from LEMORELE. And here we have one Type-C hub with multiple inputs and with an additional RJ45 port. Let's open the package and see what we have inside. A bookmark and sticky flags. Thanks LEMORELE! So here we have a 9-in-1 Type-C hub with Ethernet port. It's made of aluminum and plastic, its quality is very good, and in addition to the basic RJ45 socket, it also has a Type-C power delivery port, one Type-C port for data, a port for TF card and SD also, 3 USB Type-A ports and one HDMI 4K port. So, if your laptop or your notebook has a Type-C input, you can have everything. LEMORELE take care of you and you can get it in a very nice quality and a very good price.